AWS Content Delivery Network and Services provides a range of services that helps business to deliver the content and data to their customers in a fast, secure, and reliable manner. This helps users around the world to view the same high quality content without slow loading times. Without a CDN, content origin server must respond to every single request. This results in significant traffic for the origin server and subsequent load. Thereby, that increases the chances of origin server failure if the traffic spikes are extremely high. Content delivery network and services solves this problem for the users. Once you host the application on the cloud, you would want the users get the better performance when they access the application. The goal of the CDN is to reduce the latency by reducing the physical distance that the user's request has to travel. CDN store a cached version of your website content in multiple geographical locations around the world, which are known as point of presence. These point of presence will contain their own caching servers and will be responsible for delivering that content in the user's location. Content and delivery services enable the customers to distribute and deliver the content and applications globally. The content and network delivery services include the multiple components like Amazon CloudFront. CloudFront securely delivers data, video, application, and APIs to customers with low latency and high transfer speed. Amazon Route 53. Route 53 is a highly available and scalable DNS service that translates the domain name to IP addresses. S3 Transfer Acceleration. S3 Transfer Acceleration is a data transfer service that uses CloudFronts as a location to accelerate the data transfer over the internet to Amazon S3. The transfer acceleration can be used if you are transferring large amount of data to S3 over internet. Direct Connect, a dedicated network connection from on-prem data center to AWS that enable customers to transfer large amount of data with low latency and high throughput. Global Accelerator, a service that routes the traffic to nearest AWS region for faster delivery of applications to end users. Elastic Load Balancing, automatically distribute the incoming application traffic across multiple EC2 instances, containers, and IP addresses in one or more availability zones. These services work together to provide a solution for delivering and distributing the content and applications globally. Let's talk about each of these services in detail.